Our story begins with two individuals, Apple and Cherry. They meet, connect, and fall in love. Or rather, they experience the three progressive stages of love as defined by neuroscience: infatuation, attraction, and attachment. If fate is unkind, they may also experience separation. Stage 1, infatuation, the spark. This stage lasts up to 3 months, is often referred to as lust. It is largely driven by sex hormones, estrogen in women and testosterone in men, and their interactions within the hypothalamus. Attraction at this stage is often influenced by physical appearance, scent, and social expectations. While much remains mysterious, we understand the male sex hormones best. Testosterone interacts with the medial preoperative area of the hypothalamus, a key center for male sexual drive, while estrogen affects receptors across the brain. Additionally, endorphins, produced by the arcuate nucleus of the hypothalamus, begin to exert their influence, acting on the nucleus accumbens, responsible for pain, the bed nucleus of the stria terminalis, responsible for aggression, the amygdala, responsible for fear, and the periaqueductal gray, responsible for pain modulation. These regions drive the cravings and euphoria of infatuation, a state that will continue to influence later stages. Stage 2, attraction, the high. Attraction lasts anywhere from 3 to 18 months and marks a shift from fleeting infatuation to a deeper, more stable connection, one that mirrors addiction. The brain now produces dopamine and norepinephrine in response to the presence of the person of interest. Dopamine, released from the ventral tegmental area, stimulates the nucleus accumbens, reinforcing the person as a reward. This can cloud judgment, leading to rational decision-making. Serotonin levels decrease, which may contribute to obsessive thoughts and rumination, a hallmark of early love. Serotonin is produced by the raphe nuclei and interacts with several key brain regions: the hippocampus, which is involved in memory formation, the striatum, which is involved in movement coordination, the periaqueductal gray, which is involved in pain modulation, and the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in judgment and decision-making. This stage is deeply shaped by our love map, the mental blueprint of traits we subconsciously seek in a partner, formed through life experiences. Stage 3, attachment, the bond. For relationships that last, attraction matures into attachment, the hallmark of long-term bonds. This stage is characterized by the release of neuropeptides, slow-acting but powerful molecules that fortify emotional connections. Oxytocin and vasopressin, produced in the hypothalamus, interact with the frontal cortex, nucleus accumbens, and other brain regions, strengthening emotional bonds. While oxytocin is thought to play a larger role in females and vasopressin in males, both are present in all genders. These neuropeptides are released during physical touch, shared experiences, facial expressions, vocal cues, and social bonding. Interestingly, these same neurochemicals underpin parent-child bonding, suggesting deep evolutionary roots in human connection. Hugging, affectionate touch, and other shared experiences can all increase oxytocin and vasopressin, reinforcing attachment. Separation, the withdrawal. So if a relationship ends after the attraction phase, the brain undergoes a withdrawal, akin to substance addiction. The loss of dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and vasopressin triggers profound emotional distress. The pain of separation is not metaphorical. It activates the same pathways of physical pain. The anterior cingulate cortex and the periaqueductal gray regions involved in pain processing light up during heartbreak. This overlap underscores the evolutionary importance of social bonds. Isolation, historically, could be detrimental to our survival. So what can we do? We haven't delved into attachment styles or what can go wrong in these systems, but ultimately the takeaway is clear. Long-term stable bonds activate our brain's reward system, fostering happiness and emotional security. So if you seek a fulfilling love life, 1, find someone who aligns with your love map. 2, nurture attraction through shared experiences and deep emotional connections. 3, strengthen attachment through physical closeness, affection, and time. By doing so, you can harness the power of love, not just as an emotion, but as a carefully orchestrated neural symphony.